Check out our amazing deals like the Nokia X6 on a $29 twin Crazy Cat. You'll get 2 phones on 1 plan. Get $200 worth of credit plus unlimited calls to anyone on Crazy John's Vodafone and 3 within Australia as a bonus option. Minimum cost over 24 months is $696. Early exit fees, fair use policy and terms and conditions apply. See in store or online for details. You always get more with Crazy John's. You must be crazy, John.
Keeping Up with the Kardashians returns June 21, and to celebrate, we're giving away an incredible LA adventure. Hit the Today FM win page and register to spill your juiciest family secret live on air. Keeping Up with the Kardashians returns to E! Channel 121, available on Foxtel. 1041 Today FM.
I run my own business and I want a caddy.
I'm a Volkswagen commercial vehicle dealer, and I've got a TSI 160 manual caddy from $21,990 drive away.
That's amazing.
And because you've got an ABN, you'll save another $500.
That's amazing.
It's part of our Volkswagen commercial vehicle end of financial year sale.
That's amazing.
Sure is amazing.
That's what I said.
The Volkswagen commercial vehicle end of financial year sale. $21,990 drive away on caddy. There are even deals on Volkswagen Transporter too.
Transporter? That's amazing.
It's on now, but hurry, 9-cent prints must end this weekend, only at your Harvey Norman Photo Centre. That's right, 6x4-inch digital prints for just 9 cents each. Don't miss out, no limits, in-store and online. 9-cent digital prints are now with no limits. Empty your memory card today. Don't miss out. We don't just match prices on photos, we smash prices on photos. 9-cent prints now at Harvey Norman. But hurry, offer must end this weekend. Why print anywhere else?